Friends, this is your first pile, and what this first pile is telling you. The first card is heartache and loss. Yes, this is the negative card for this week, but this card is not only the negative, but this card is also coming with the message of what to do, what to not to do. And if you are getting a heartache and any losses or any grief moment in this week, so just it is for your learning, this is for your phase, that is you can learn from this thing and you can learn from this heartache. And after this heartache, एक हर अंधेरी रात के बाद एक सुबह होती है, तो it is a heartache is for the joyful moment is going to come soon. The same what is the your love message is saying, make the effort. Make the effort is always about the thing that you should start something new when you lost something. So it is while connected to this card, this card heartache, and then make the effort when you lost, when you are in the grief. So make the effort for your ask for your angels for the courage, make the effort for getting more love in your life, come out of the grief movement. It is showing like that. The next card is the moon message for you, that is a new start is coming. See, once the loss, then the make the effort, and the new start is coming. So the everything is new for you. This is the new moon card, and new moon is coming soon on 11th. So you are getting a new moon card around the new moon period. That is a very good sign, and you are going to जो बीत गया है, जो लॉस हो गया, ग्रीफ हो गया, उसको छोड़ना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द न्यू स्टार्ट. तो आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी की न्यू स्टार्ट करनी है. वॉट इज़ द शामिन मैसेज? दैट इज़ द शामिन मैसेज इज़ द गिव अवे. द गिव अवे कार्ड टोल्ड यू दैट हैव ग्रेटिट्यूड विद द नेचर. आप नेचर को, जो आपको मिला है, उसको, जो आपके पास है राइट नाउ, जो आपके पास है, उससे आपको संतुष्ट होना है. और जो आपके पास नहीं है, उसको आपको छोड़ देना है, उस पर ध्यान नहीं देना है. सो दिस गिव अवे कार्ड इज़ शोइंग यू कि आप ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाइए उन लोगों के प्रति. ऐसे 10 लोग जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में ऐसे हैं जिनके बिना आपकी ज़िंदगी नहीं चल सकती, या जिनको आपने अभी तक कुछ कहा नहीं. सी, मेक द एफर्ट. अगेन दिस कार्ड, एवरी कार्ड इज़ कनेक्टिंग. दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ द टैरो, दैट all the decks are different, but all the cards are connected. When one card come up and the second is again connected, third is again connected, and fourth is again connected. So give away message is all about having a gratitude, having yourself abundance, and invite and be in a flow, and give freely and receive freely. So friend, if you have a lost moment in this week, the same way you are having this moment, that is new start. Again, the lost moment, if your loss is there, then just go to your friends and then show some gratitude. So give freely and get freely. So you are going to get a lot in this week. Okay, thank you. Hi friends, we are here with the pile 2 for people who selected the pile 2. What you are going to get in this pile? See, we are going to check it out. First is memories of love. Wow. First I want to show you all the cards, and then we are going to describe what is it. Is playfulness. Your romance angels are saying playfulness. What is the moon message for you? This is show the world the real you. Okay. And what's the shamanic message? Shaman message is holy mountain. Okay. So friend, this is the memories of love. This card is told you that you are going to meet with your childhood friend, your old memories, some nostalgic moment is coming in your life, and either if any nostalgic movement is going to come, or what you have to do is the become a child again, remember your childhood and do the things according to what you are doing in your childhood. So enjoy like a child also. So two messages are there: either you are going to meet, you are having some nostalgic moment, meeting some old friend, something related to the childhood, or you have to become a child. It is a message like this. Next, again, it is while connected, playfulness. Playful. See the beauty of tarot. It all the cards are from different decks and they are still connected. So playfulness is like that that to recapture romance, allow the inner youthful spirit, the fine spirit of fine fun to shine. So this message show you that when you are you both lovers, you are in love life, when you are in the last playfulness was there, and you have a fun when the last time you have a fun. So you have to remember that fun and you have to recreate that fun into your love life, so that your love is going to be flourish like a new love, new something. So आपका यदि प्यार पुराना हो गया हो, यदि आप पुराने हो और आप यदि चाहते हो कि आपके प्यार में और ताजगी आए, सो हैव फन, have some time, take out some time and have fun with your partner. The next moon guidance is for this week is the show the world the real you. Yes, जब आप भूल गए हो कि आप क्या थे, आपका चाइल्डहुड में आप क्या थे, आप बचपन में क्या थे, आपने लास्ट फन कब किया था. नाउ दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू शो द वर्ल्ड what you are real, and inside what inside you, what you are really exactly, what real person you are. This card also shows a friend needs you, again this is connected to this card. This card shows you the full moon in Aquarius also shows that a friend needs you, be there for them, and don't lose the beauty of romance of life. ओके, सो अपने हार्ट से, अपने हेड से निकल के हार्ट में कनेक्ट होना है, अपने हार्ट में कनेक्ट होना है, आपको यहाँ कनेक्शन है. एवरी कार्ड इज़ कनेक्टेड. दिस कार्ड इज़ शोइंग लाइक एंड आपको फ्रेंड की ज़रूरत हो सकती है, फ्रेंड को आपकी ज़रूरत हो सकती है. सम एक्सपेक्ट सम अनएक्सपेक्टेड टर्न्स ऑल्सो. सो दिस कार्ड इज़ अ मैसेज कि किसी न किसी को किसी न किसी की ज़रूरत है. सो हैव फन टुगेदर, बी टुगेदर, कनेक्टेड विथ योर पास्ट, कनेक्टेड विथ योर friend or anyone from your past, and either you need or either they need you. So don't go by head, go by your heart. जो दिल कहे वो कीजिए. People who selected the third pile, there is a message for you. Well, you'll see what's the message is exactly. Okay, so first card here is the new beginning. Okay, first what I'll do, I'll keep all the cards on and then we'll talk about the messages. Second, the love romance angels are saying healing family issues, a time for healing. Oh, and this is taming the wind. Wow. So people from who selected the third pile, it is the new beginning message. New beginning, it's in your every field, it is the zero. This is the Fool card. Fool card says that don't go by what the other people say. Do whatever you want to do. आप जो सच में दिल से करना चाहते हैं वो कीजिए. कुछ नई शुरुआत कीजिए, लोगों से पूछे बिना, लोग क्या कहेंगे. Don't go by the things that what people is going to say about you. Just don't think, and just go ahead and conquer the world, and you can start the new beginning also in the relationship also. You can, if any relationship, because the other cards are saying the healing cards are there. So if any of your relationships are already on the turmoil or something, not a good phase or bad phase going on the relationships, so just heal that relationship, because here healing the family issues. If any problems in your family, if anything going with your father and mother, if anything going with your parents, or anything going with your children, if any problems are going, so some first sort out that problems, because of your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Something, many of your people are having some family issues right now. So start a new beginning, start with the family, and heal the things, and start a new beginnings. Some new relationships, new thing. If any issues are going, just leave that issues, just finish it off that issues, and start your relationship with a new note. It's a new beginning card. And the next is also, the moon is also saying the time for healing. That is the, it's amazing, the whole, all the cards are from the different decks, and still they are connected. That's the beauty of tarot. And you can see the balsamic moon, and you are very lucky, because this period is going on after full moon towards the new moon. The period is balsamic moon. It is from starting from tomorrow. So this balsamic moon is saying the time for healing. When one is healed and all is healed. यदि आप खुद हील होते हैं, आप कुछ एक रिलेशन को हील करते हैं, तो सारे रिलेशन हील होते हैं, एंड समथिंग न्यू इज़ गोइंग टू कम. And it is about, it's time to let go the past. Let go the past. When you let go the past, the new beginning is going to come. See, all the cards are here, and think about how this situation would look if everyone was healed. So right now, all the world people, especially Indian people, need healing. So if any problems in your relationship going on, any problems in your life going on, in any point of time, just start the healing thing. Just start your heart heal and start the new beginning. See, the cards are what are saying. So spend some time, think about it, and heal yourself first, and then heal others. Okay? What is the shaman messages saying? Oh, taming the wind. Taming the wind. This card is also connected with these cards, because the feathers over here, they are used for clearing ceremonies, clearing the things, the smudging, the feathers. Feathers give the shows that there are angels in your life who came for healing. So here the angels showing the feathers always shows the angel message. So it's time for healing. So angels are here to help you out for the healing thing. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So it's a good time to start journaling your thoughts. And when you journal your thoughts, you got to know what's the thing going in back of your mind. So you can use for the healing things. You can start a new beginning with that thing. Okay? And it's time to honor the great spirit, and the reverence, and the respect for divine, respect for spirits, respect for angels, because they are here to heal you. They are here to, clearing any bad thing, any bad memories, anything bad, that is bad energies. They are going to clear for you. So spend some time and do the smudging. हम धुआं करते थे या हवन करते थे या सबके लिए प्रार्थना करते थे, एंड just do your rituals, whatever the rituals is, either धूप or smudging or any havan or anything in your home or office. Some create some sacred environment, and the great spirit will to co-cooperate with the highest good of all. तो सबका भला होगा. यदि आप अपना भला करेंगे तो आप सभी का भला करेंगे, and this is the healing time for you. So guys, this is a very nice time, and just heal yourself and heal all your hurts, heal all your bad memories, and start a new beginning from this week. Thank you. I hope you resonate with this readings, and if you resonate, please tell me, and just like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Now this the holy mountain card. What does the holy mountain card tell you? The holy mountain is all about, हम जैसे बोलते हैं ना, फॉर इंडियंस इट इज़ अ कैलाश पर्वत फॉर द होली माउंटेन, और हिमालय इज़ अ होली माउंटेन बिकॉज लॉट्स ऑफ धाम्स आर देयर. सो दिस होली mountain is all about the commitment. So you have to make a commitment. You have to some sacred vision. You need some sacred vision, and something that courage, love, compassion, and this holy mountain card told you to that become a sacred, from your heart. It is very important to have some sacred vision also, some sacred perspective also. So whatever the situation is, accept the situations, and all the things is, you will get the vision from the Almighty. If you leave yourself with the Almighty thing, then you will get the vision from there what to do, and discover the higher understanding. So just be connected to your roots, and just see the clarity, and you will get the clear vision, and you will get the perfect vision for that. So always connected to your root. Holy mountain is all about mountain with the rocks and the muds, and so if you can't go right now to the any holy places, so connect with your roots, be grounded, and let be yourself, live on the divine, and you will get the divine messages all over. Okay, so it is all the cards are really connected, and for the next week your messages like this. And if it is resonate with you, please come back and please tell me what happened and what not happened, and if it is really resonate, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.